I'll be making the baba ghan-nouge. I already made like 2. And if you look, while they're getting me the stuff, if you look on the page, you could use regular eggplants. You know, they're long. Thank you, honey. The eggplant, they are long. They have like little petal on top, green on the side. Are you listening to me? Yeah. Okay. You take off this is the stem, and there is little green around it. Take those green, leave the stem. And then take a fork and puncture it 5, 6, 7 times. Okay? Then you put it in a broiler, under the broiler. This is the broiler here. Put it like 6 inches away. 6 to 7 inches away in in some kind of a pan, or tray, okay? 10 minutes on each side. So this is the eggplant. I put it 10 minutes this way. I turn it from here to here, put it 10 minutes, to the side 10 minutes, and to the other side 10 minutes. Then I'll take it with a knife, I'll cut it in the middle like this, use a fork and a knife, open it, and have a spoon, bigger spoon, and scoop it into a dish where you're gonna work. And then you finish it the same way I'm gonna finish it. And if you're gonna do it and wait till, no. So what it makes its own oil, you believe it or not. Yeah. So if you want to make it a little bit later, add like 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. That way it doesn't turn dark. If you are sometimes yesterday we were in a...
They're looking at you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Like yesterday I was in a restaurant and they brought us, the Lebanese Mediterranean. The eggplant, I said, I have to talk to the cook. It was brownish like. I know that when they roasted it and they took it out, they didn't add lemon juice right away. By adding lemon juice right away to it, it stays nice and this color. It's not brown. It will be this color. Sorry, guys. No. Did you say, if you look at your skin, you take out the skin. That's it. We're done. Did you notice? Just a little bit.
Since you got the can bottle and it has acetic acid in it, so it doesn't turn color. Will you add lemon juice, or is already got enough of the acetic acid?
No, I do. You're gonna see. Yeah, they just add a little bit of citric acid. I add some. I'm done with all this. I add some citric acid myself sometimes. Okay. Here we are. I put it on top. I have here that 1 spoon of salt. This is the garlic, pounded garlic, and the lemon juice. It's 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, to answer, your question. And I have here 1/4 of a cup of tahini paste. Okay? Yep. Tahini, it's sesame seed pulverized to become this, what you see it here.
You can just buy them.
You could buy them. If you get one, yeah, we'll show you. Any question? Oh, no, I'll leave it. You mix it very well, And you end up with baba ghanoush. This is the baba ghanoush. You made it, probably all of you.
Where's the Syrian bread?
You'll have them later on. Now we're gonna put the dish together. Oops. Hello. Pardon? What's that?
Nothing. He's trying to get me into trouble.
Father is a good cook, but he does things.
Oh, absolutely not. You don't need to look.
I took your tray. What do you need it for?
That's nice.
Yeah. I'm going to give you this. Okay. Now I have here some parsley to decorate. You could do different. And during like this time of year, we have pomegranate, and it goes really good with baba ghanoush. So I'm gonna do this. Those are the seeds. Joni, you could put this, that they could have it later on. They could put them at the table if they want some extra. Okay, and I have some mint. We're gonna do this. And I have some parsley for decorating. I think I have enough. I lost it. Any questions? Yeah, wait. I'm not done yet.
The grape leaves are done if you want to flip.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, before we eat, they stay nice and hot. Okay, and olive oil. Okay, now it's done. Yeah, you could pass it on. That's it. I don't think.
And Andre, should I put these in a bowl?
Yeah, that's okay. You could leave it like this. On top, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.